Good morning, guys. So we're here today on the Central Coast. We tried to find Ironbark Waterfall and we were unsuccessful. We couldn't find where it was. We put the directions in the GPS and
it took us to a private road.
It just took us to a private road. So we're like, what the hell? So we drove around, it rerouted us and we drove around, and now we just couldn't find it. So we gave up. We didn't want to waste time because the forecast is possible rain. So we wanted to make the most of the morning before it rains in the afternoon. So now we have come down to Kariong Waterfall, but we've just decided to do the walk. It's only 1.7 kilometers, but while we're here, we just want to do something and get out and enjoy nature in the outdoors. So we're doing a little walk, and then
loop or Tommos Loop.
Tommos Loop? Yeah. And then we need to go for some lunch because we've been driving around for a while. And
over 2 hours.
been driving for over 2 hours. Yep. So now we'll do this short walk and find somewhere nice for lunch to show you guys. Walking up ahead, he's doing his Facebook Live, so just hanging behind him for a bit and enjoying this beautiful walk.
So we've accessed Kariong Brook Falls from Woy Woy Road near Staples Lookout. You can go from the actual lookout point, but if you drive about 5 minutes down the road, there's another little gateway which will have a sign for Kariong Brook Falls, and that's the way we went. I think it took us probably about 15 minutes to walk down until we found where the descent down to the waterfalls actually was.
So we're here at Kariong Brook Falls. We made it down to that beautiful waterfall behind us, as you can see. How long did it take us to get down here?
Well, stop starting. Took us around an hour and a half.
An hour and a half to get down here. Wow, okay. Yeah, so it's going to take a little while to get back up, but going to make our way back up now. But yeah, we just
it was worth the walk.
Yeah, it was worth the walk. We spent a bit of time down here in front of this beautiful waterfall. it's too cold to go swimming at the moment. So now
Very clear waters, but we're going to head back up and have lunch.
yeah. Hey guys, so we just left Kariong Falls and now we wanted to show you a little bit of the beach at Central Coast. So the closest beach to the Kariong Falls is
Ettalong Beach.
Ettalong. Well, I'm not sure if it's the closest, but when we put it in the GPS it was only how long away?
15 minutes drive.
15 minutes drive. So if you wanted to do the waterfall hike and then go see a bit of the beaches, I would definitely recommend this one. I've stayed here before. It's really beautiful down here. So we're going to go for a little bit of a walk, show you around the area a little bit and just get something to eat.
Yep, a little bit of a snack before we head home. Bye guys.
There's no shortage of beautiful beaches on the Central Coast, and Ettalong Beach is certainly one of them. It has that quaint, small seaside village feel to it, but for the size, there's certainly a lot to do and see. As I mentioned, I've stayed here at Ettalong Beach before. I stayed at the Mantra, which I really loved and I'd highly recommend, so I will leave that link in the description below. Also a small ferry wharf here where you can get a ferry to and from Palm Beach. The trip to Palm Beach takes around 30 minutes.
So we're just going for a walk along the beach side here. It's absolutely beautiful. It's a really gorgeous day. The beach is really nice here and you have these houses that back onto the beach, as in their backyards. Literally, they could jump this back fences and be at the beach. It's a really lovely little spot here. So this is Ettalong Beach.
Ettalong Beach.
Ettalong Beach, yeah.
And yes, we finally had something to eat. It was more closer to dinner time at this point. If you're still here, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and we look forward to seeing you in our next one.